The following problem states, determine the number of moles of carbon in 25 grams of carbon. Part B says the number of moles in helium in 10.50 grams of helium. And Part C says the number of moles of sodium in 15.75 grams of sodium. So in this case, we're going from grams to moles. And so in order to do that conversion, what do we need to use? Well, we know the units of the atomic masses on the periodic table have units of grams per mole. So we can use those units, grams per mole, as a conversion factor to convert between mass to moles. That's what we're going to be doing. So in part A, it says we have 25 grams of carbon, and on the periodic table, carbon has a molecular weight of 12.01. So we multiply by the reciprocal of the atomic mass of 12.01 grams per 1 mole of carbon. Grams and grams cancels out, and we have 2.082 moles of carbon. In part B, we're looking at the number of moles of helium. If we go to the periodic table, helium has an atomic mass of 4.003 grams per mole. We can use that as our conversion factor. So we have 10.50 grams of helium multiplied by the reciprocal, so 4.003 grams of helium per 1 mole of helium. Grams and grams cancel out, and we end up getting 2.623 moles of helium. We do the same thing for C, which is looking at sodium, which sodium has an atomic mass of 22.99. We're looking at how many moles are in 15.75 grams of sodium. So we have to multiply by the reciprocal of the atomic mass, 22.99 grams of sodium for every 1 mole of sodium. It is important that you always write out your units, and you put what it's corresponding to, if it's grams of sodium, grams of helium, etc., because it's going to make following your units a lot easier. Moles of sodium. And you can be able to readily cancel them out. So it's important when you practice these problems that you're understanding how to convert from grams to moles or moles to atoms, and you have basically a think map of how to do those conversions and what you need in order to do so. It's also important to know how to use the units as conversion factors to convert from grams to moles, etc. Thank you.